Caden and Manuel are an enviable couple. They both work at the Chicago Fire Department. Where do many colleagues get along well with them? Something unexpected may happen anytime. Manuel died in an explosion-proof mission. Heartbroken Caden cries helplessly in the late night every day. Caden spent countless days in a daze like this. In order to save this helpless woman, the enthusiastic supervisor decided to transfer Caden from this sad place. What kind of fate will Caden face years later? Stay tuned,凯登克罗斯。